So this US dollar CAD analysis for Tuesday, the 9th of October. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may like to go. So here on the US dollar CAD, we've had a break above the 28.39. We've had this rally towards our 130. So from yesterday's video, it was in around at 130. We're saying that we might see a bit of a there was a possibility of seeing a bit of a pullback from around this 130. We had a pretty strong run here to the upside. Did see that pullback from that 130. Didn't quite get down towards the level that we were looking at, seeing around that 29.44, where we do have daily confluence of 400 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. But what we did instead see was a rally from slightly above that 129.44. We do see points for a test of that 130. So if we can test and break that 130 here to the upside, can test and break that 130 here to the upside, the very next level of note here that we are looking at is a move up towards that 130.69. 130.69, successful break from which we'll be then targeting that 31.11 here on the US dollar CAD. Now, if however we do see we do encounter major resistance around that 130, we are looking for prices to head down towards that 129.44, where we do have the confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. But if we do fail to hold support in around 129.44, we're then looking for price to head down towards that 129 here on the US dollar CAD. In around the 129, we do also have 200 period now slightly above the 129. But 129 was the level that we would be looking at. We would expect that to be far in the range. Don't anticipate 128.39 coming into focus here on the US dollar CAD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts here, price developing. So we get the scale here correct. And as we can see, after having this rather sharp move here to the downside, we've gapped down the market, came pretty close to a perfect test of 27.78. We've seen a pretty consistent bullish rally from a daily chart perspective here, closing this bit of a gap that we had, and we've had price come towards that 130. So we've seen poised for a test of the retest of that 130. We do break beyond there. We've got 30.69, 30.11, and beyond that in the coming days, weeks, we possibly may see a move up towards that 31.88 if we do see price maintain that bullish buy side momentum. Overall, we were trending downwards here on the downwards here on the US dollar CAD. We had a series of lower highs, with the exception of this level here, but we had a series of lower highs here to the downside, lower lows as well. So that was the trend. We were still trending slightly to the downside, even though it was a slow process. So we'll see if this rally takes us and realigns us with the bullish trend prior to this pullback that we've seen over the past couple of months here on the US dollar CAD, which pretty much began mid to late June, had a bit of a pullback here in towards early October. So we'll see if we do reaffirm the bullish trend that we had prior to this pullback. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.